Hey guys, so today I want to do a fun video. I want to try out some popular TikTok hair tips, tricks, those type of videos. So what I'm going to do is just kind of show the video on the screen. I'm going to watch it and then we're just going to recreate. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm not going to be able to do this video all at once. I'm going to have to spread it out over several days just because of the different hairstyles I'm going to do. I can't do it all in one day, so that's why you'll see me look differently in these clips. All right, so let's do the first one. So I'm gonna watch all these TikTok videos on my phone. Okay, so she's gonna take a clip and put it right in the center of her head, okay? She's gonna take some hairspray, spray it, tease it. Okay, seems easy enough. So I don't usually part my hair down the middle, but I will for this video. What a mess. So then she literally takes this and then pushes it back. Oh, okay.
Oh, cute!
All right, then she takes some hairspray and then she teases it. So, okay. I don't know. All right. I mean, is she serious right now? That did nothing to my hair. It gave me like a little burp. I'm not impressed with that one. That like did nothing. I had much higher hopes. I don't know. I think it looks the exact same. I don't think it added much volume at all. We're gonna try another one that's supposed to add volume. Okay, so this girl is from The Bachelor. Velcro roller, blow dryer, texture spray. Shake it out. So I've never seen them use texture spray, so this will be interesting. So I have two right here. I think I'm gonna use the bigger one. Hopefully bigger means more volume. So I'm just gonna take my hair up. I'm just taking a small section in the front. I'm gonna take my Velcro roller at the top and then take it all the way down. And then I'm just gonna clip it with a bobby pin. Or not bobby pin, a hair clip. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow dry it. All right, so while it is cooling, I'm gonna take my Amika texture spray and I'm just going to spray it on top. And then I'm just going to allow it to cool for, I don't know, a couple minutes. All right, so it feels pretty cool, so I'm going to take it out and just, ooh. Okay, I see volume now, don't you? Maybe it would be better if my hair was like wet first and then I did this, or maybe not wet, but like slightly damp and then blow dried it. But I do like this trick, so I will give this one a thumbs up. All right, so let's watch the next one. All right, so she's putting her hair up into a bun and then she's doing the bang trick. So her bangs are straight, so I might have to straighten my hair. All right, and it's supposed to just look like you have bangs. So let's try it. All right, so I'm just going to wrap my hair around once, and then the second time I'm just gonna kind of, I don't know, do it like that. I definitely don't have long enough hair to do that. All right, I'm just going to take it up and then do it like this. And then I'm just gonna bobby pin it. All right, so while my hair straightener is warming up, I'm just gonna take this scarf. I actually don't have a headband, which is surprising. I can't find one anywhere. So I'm just going to roll it up and then wrap it. What the hell? All right, so now I'm going to straighten my bangs. I really am trying to make this look good, but it's just not working. Let's try to curl it under. Just a little better. Let me try to like fluff them. Not a cute look. And the only way I'd be able to see it is if I did this. This one is a
Bring me my baby!
Nakey baby and daddy. Nakey baby and daddy. Nakey baby and daddy. Nakey baby and daddy.
Hi! Look at the, oh, what do you think?
That's probably moisturizer. I'm gonna fold laundry.
Okay. Naked baby and mommy. Alright, so it is the next day, so we're gonna continue on with our little TikTok hair hack videos. So, alright, so this one, it says hair mask for silky, smooth, and shiny hair. So, she speaks a different language. I'm not exactly sure what she says, but I can tell by the ingredients what she uses. Banana, conditioner, vitamin E, and aloe vera. So she takes some nanners, some conditioner. She doesn't say what kind of conditioner, so I'm just gonna use whatever. Squirts it in there. She blends it. I don't know if I'm gonna blend it. And she just slaps that shit on. She's got it on her shirt. I'm not sure how long it's supposed to stay on. She held up a 2, so does that mean like 20 minutes, 2 hours? We're gonna go 20 minutes because I don't have time. I don't have 2 hours. All right, so here are the ingredients I'm gonna use. I just grabbed this from the guest bath. This isn't what I normally use, so hopefully it's okay. Got this almost rotten banana, some vitamin E, and some aloe vera. All right, so now we just slap it on our hair. Mine's not a liquid because I did not feel like dirtying up my blender, but it should be fine. So here's my hair. I'm just going to, yes. Oh. Okay, so we're checking in. So it's been sitting on my hair for like 25 minutes now. So I'm gonna go wash it off and give him a nap. I'm a cranky but very cute baby. Okay, I'm back. I showered, I brushed my hair, and I put it in this microfiber towel. So I forgot, I do have one more video that I can do while my hair is wet, and it is using the Revlon blow dryer. I've seen so many people use this damn blow dryer. There's like 56,000 reviews on Amazon. Let's watch that video real quick. Oh, she has a blue one. Mine's the pink and black. I like the blue one better. But see how it gives you that like salon blowout look? I think that is so pretty. So we're going to attempt that. So I'm gonna take this towel off. My hair feels super soft. So hopefully it's nice and shiny too. So I'm going to section off my hair, and we're just going to start, what is that? And we're just gonna start blow drying. Okay, so I just finished blow drying. I think it looks really nice. I'm just using this, no like curling iron, straighteners, nothing. I really like it. Like really like it. Wow. That's really pretty. Okay, so that is my new favorite tool. Everyone go get it. As far as like how my hair feels, it definitely feels very soft. I'm not sure if you can tell like if it's shiny or anything. I feel like it's not crazy shiny. I mean, I do see a little bit of shine, but very soft. So I do like that mask. One tip though with the mask, definitely blend it, because as I was blow drying my hair, I noticed chunks of bananas in my hair, and I was like, should have blended it. So blend it, don't do what I did. Those are both really good and I'm gonna keep using them and keep doing them. Okay, although I really like my hair right now and I can't stop running my fingers through it. So now I'm gonna mess it up and use a curling iron to curl it. So let's watch that video. Oh, okay, very pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna use a piece right up here. So she takes it around and then she puts it through. So I'm gonna clamp it down. Oh! What? It worked! Oh my God, not my kind of curl, but all right, I'm gonna try to. Well, it works. Eee! I don't like that curl, I'm sorry. This is not my kind of curl. Ugh. That makes my hair very short. All right, so it works. Definitely give it a try if you wanna see how it looks on your full head. I'm not gonna do my full head. I'm actually gonna go back and straighten this piece. It did work, so I'll give it this kind of thumb, like a thumb. Hey guys, all right, so the last hair hack, I was getting ready to go to bed and I was like, shit, I need to do my heatless curls. So what I'm gonna do is just wet my brush a little bit and get my hair a teensy bit wet. All right, so I'm gonna watch this girl's video. Her hair is super thick. Like one of her little braids is like this whole section of hair right here. Must be nice. Oh wow. See, that's a really pretty curl. I like that. I don't watch anymore. I'm just gonna do it. They're really pretty. Up here, I can already tell I like my rope curls better, but we're gonna play along. So I'm going to split my hair into two, cross them under, over, under, over, under. Alright, then I'm just going to tie it off. Alright, I'm just gonna say I'm very annoyed by these curls. I feel like if you have long hair that is even, these would work great for you. But if you're someone like me who has a bunch of layers, it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna try to sleep in this and we'll see how it goes. Okay, good morning. So I'm about to take these out. I've got baby on the bed. Look how cute. Hi. All right, so we're just gonna take these out. Tired of having them in my hair. Let's see. No, I have a big section back here, not really curled that much. I mean, not horrible, right? I'm gonna show you from the back. Personal preference, I like the robe curls better. I think you could make these work. I think it depends on your hair and the type of sock that you use. So this was this hack and I think I'm gonna give it not a thumbs up, but not a thumbs down. So right here. Okay, so that is the video. I hope you guys liked it. I apologize, I look a little bit rough right now. I was laying out by the pool and forgot that I needed to do an outro. But yeah, those were some tips, tricks, hacks, whatever you want to call them from TikTok. Hopefully you guys liked them, found them entertaining. Hopefully you'll give some a try. Let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok. It's at Lainey Marie Beauty. I'll also put it in my description box. It's a lot of fun. You'll see a lot of Knox. He's super cute on there. He's super cute. Yeah, hi. And I do, you know, hair videos and all that too. So definitely check me out. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye.